Hey, what's going on, guys? We just got our counter stools. They're sling back counter stools by Nathan James. Super excited that we got these. I'm gonna be unboxing this, putting it together just to give you an idea of all the pieces that it comes with and how it is putting it together. So here is everything that came in the box. The back rest or the back seat portion is already put together. You do have your main seating cushion right here. You do have the two legs for the front and then some additional pieces for your footrest and then the side pieces as well. It does come with the hardware and what seems like a pretty easy set of instructions to follow. There is the description on all of the components of the chair, and it comes with 5 steps. So it should be fairly easy to put together. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's how it looks like when it's all put together. Very easy to put together, very nice looking chair. It does have a very comfortable cushion right here, and the sling back is pretty comfortable as well. Overall, I really do like the quality of this stool and just the ease overall of putting it together. Highly recommend this chair. Hopefully you find this review helpful, and we will see you on the next one.